My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Mini Hatch. This vehicle has done just under 12,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers as well as automatic headlights. Moving over to the touchscreen, we can access navigation, My Mini, Mini Connected, notifications, communication, and the media/radio. We have heated seats on either side, keyless ignition, and the ability to put it into sport mode, mid mode, green mode, and green plus. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera as well as parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it's complete with a full leather black interior and 2 sunroofs. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.